Is it worth buying a used laser? I just bought this laser from Facebook Market for $3,600. Brand new is $5,342, including tax and shipping. But check this out. It is filthy, and the air assist hose is burned. Worth the hassle? Let's find out if buying used is a win or a total disaster, especially for someone new like me. All right, let's take a closer look inside. As you can see, the rails are completely dirty and full of soot from the previous use. And look back there. That's just dirty. And here's the issue with the air assist hose. As you can see, that got burned. So if any of you had this experience before or already know how to replace it, please let me know. I'll be happy to know because I never done this before. And as you can see, the cover, I mean, it's just completely dirty. And look at this. I don't know if you can see through here, but there's a lot of scratches on the cover. So if you know how to remove those scratches, please comment below. So is it worth buying used? $3,600 compared to $5,300 new, and the fixes are easy. Dirty optics, scratch cover, and the air hose assist. Overall, I think this is an 8 out of 10. And once we get it clean and running, I'm very excited to share my experiences as I learn to use the machine. We can learn together. So if you're interested in videos like this, subscribe. If you have any tips on how to give it a good clean, please comment below. Thank you.